let me just open this package. Let me fold that away. So this is a very familiar Apple minimalist style packaging. So this is the front, this is the back, the side, and this one is the 12.9-inch version, which is the larger version. The smaller version is the 11-inch version, and this is the 4th generation of the iPad Pro, and this is a Wi-Fi version, and they also have the Wi-Fi plus cellular version, but this is just the Wi-Fi version. This one I bought is the 256 gigabytes version. And when we are talking about the 12.9 inches, we are talking about the display measured diagonally. So let me go ahead and open it. So inside it, we have the 18 watt power adapter, and then this is USB Type-C, by the way. And we also have the USB Type-C charging cable. Both sides are USB Type-C. So one go into your iPad, the other go into this charger. And then we also have the instruction over here. So let me just put all this aside so that we can just focus on the iPad. So let me unwrap it for you. So this is the front, this is the back, the side, and let me see whether it has power. Let me just turn it on. So now I'm turning it on. So let me turn it this way. As I said, when we are talking about the 12.9 inches, we're talking about this direction. So the exact size of this one, the length of it is about 11 inches, and then the width of it is about 8.46 inches. And then the depth of it is less than a quarter inch, it's 0.23 inches. And then it's only about 1.41 pounds, so you can still hold it pretty comfortably with just one hand. And then let's talk about all the different components of it. So in the front over here, obviously we have the display. Apple called this one the liquid retina display. And then at the top of the iPad, we have the camera, front camera, as well as a microphone. And then at the top over here, we have 2 more microphones and 2 speakers, and then with a power button on the top. And then at the side, we have the volume up, volume down button, and then as well as the magnetic connector. And then at the bottom, we have the USB connector, USB Type-C connector, I should clarify, and then 2 more speakers. That means this is a 4-speaker iPad Pro. And then at the side, this way, we have another microphone over here. And then at the back, we have this, Apple called it a 5-element lens. So the major difference between this iPad Pro compared to the previous generation is this has 2 cameras versus 1. So we have the 12 megapixel wide lens camera, and also the 10 megapixel ultra wide lens camera. So there you have it. So this is the open box video. So later on I will do a deep dive video into the specification of this iPad Pro. So thank you very much for watching. If you like it, please subscribe. I'll do more these kind of videos in the future. Thank you very much. Stay safe, by the way.